Let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange. Jim Cramer joins us with more right now. Jim, earlier this morning, we were speaking with some people who think there's more pain to come in the tech trade. What do you think of that?
Well, look, I absolutely love that the stocks are all looking awful. I mean, that's what you want. I was so afraid, Becky, that we would have an up opening and then the sellers would come in. This time we've got a down opening. This would be day 4 for a tech decline. They typically last 3 days, so before. You want to watch a stock like Apple or a stock like Microsoft, which is bulled very heavily by Jefferies, see if they can hold their own. Salesforce, which I thought was wrongly accused yesterday. A lot of the analysts are following down stocks, cutting price target. I like that, too. So we have the makings of what could be a bottom. Of course, the wild card is tomorrow, where everybody will find out that things are wildly better than expected. You might get another little sell-off on that. But I think you should be looking at the techs to bottom today. A lot of people are suddenly scared. I really like that. These groups, some of these stocks are down. They're cut in half. So I'm looking at stocks that are cut in half where they're making money. The ones that aren't making money, still, I'm not interested in.
You got any thoughts on Bed Bath & Beyond? That's a weird one this morning.
Yeah, I mean, Mark Tritton's on tonight. I happen to like Mark very much. He used to be chief merchandise officer at Target, which someone actually said bad things about today. That seems ill-advised. What matters here is the cadence and the margins. And the cadence and the margins were good. Remember, there's a 22% short position. Most of the people came down and started selling the stock before they actually read the release. That's often suboptimal. And I think that he's going to have a very good story about Bye Bye Baby if he wants to be able to try to divest something. People thought he bought too much stock. He didn't buy that much stock. I love that story that's downtown. And when you press your bet here on a short, it tends to be wrong. The stock was 22, it would sell off. But sure. I just think that. And I know it's a meme stock. I've been critical of the gorillas, calling them the GUE kind now, not the GOR. GUE does not to be defended, right? I mean, we know guerrilla actions from time to time have succeeded. But I look at those stocks and I say, well, they're wildly overvalued, AMC, GameStop. Unless Ryan Cohen, I mean, I know probably Andrew Ross Sorkin has a view about what Ryan might do with GameStop because nobody else does. But anyway, Bed Bath is better than expected.
Jim, we look forward to that interview tonight, and we'll see you in just a few minutes. Get more of your takes on what's been happening. By the way, I have Conagra and Constellation. I got 2 of those. Excellent.
I love your show this morning. I love it. You guys are having fun,
I'm going to be watching tonight. Looking forward to that, and we will see you in just a little bit. By the way,